This is the elevator at Dillard's, Westfield Countryside in Clearwater, Florida. There's the north entrance. There's the elevator sign. Here's a store directory, the second floor and the first floor. And here it is. This is a Schindler HT. Here it is. And it's low pitched. Go up to 2. 2,500 pound capacity. Here's the floor indicator. Here's the certificate of operation. Here are 2. Go back down to 1. Low pitch chime. Here's a cab view. It's a pretty small but unusual elevator for a modern Dillard's. Here we are at 1. There it goes, and that's it.